Hello, Donut fam. This is Glazy. A great improvement that we are after for the new version of D0. We can actually trade commodity, US stocks, and indices through D0, not just crypto. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick gold trade. If you find it useful, like, comment, share it with a friend. I asked D0 if there's any macro news moving gold this week. It delivers a full macro breakdown, jobs report beat, dollar weakness, Fed chair uncertainty, geopolitics cooling, every factor isolated, then synthesized into one verdict explaining why gold held its ground near all-time highs. Well, it's worth a clarification here. When I asked about gold, I also asked it to trade through HIP-3 protocol. That's what makes this a proper commodity trade, not a crypto proxy. It's not the final release version, but it's close. D0 switches to XYZ Gold. It has handled the sub-account transfer automatically so that I won't need to manually move my balance between different places. Sizes the position to my balance, sets my stop loss, asks for confirmation, position live. From macro question to cross-venue execution, every step reasoned, every trade inside my risk boundary. This isn't a normal chatbot that pulls commodity prices. This is an agent that knows my style and moves where I move. Thanks for watching. Donut.